Founded in Michigan City, Indiana, Sullair has been on the leading edge of compressed air solutions since 1965, building a legacy of reliability, durability, and performance. Engineered with these three pillars in mind, the Sullair 185 Series Tier 4 Final Portable Air Compressor is fully optimized and ready to hit the road. The workhorse of our elite mobile fleet, the Sullair 185 is light and compact for easy maneuverability, towing, and storage. With LED tail and turn lights and a large enclosed toolbox standard, this unit is designed for easy travel to and from the job site. The Sullair 185 also offers multiple engine options to meet your needs. Handle high altitudes and rugged terrains with your choice of proven turbocharged engines. Run longer with an expanded 27-gallon fuel tank. Spend less time refilling with up to 10 hours of runtime. Sullair is famous for its legendary bulletproof air ends. The 185 continues the tradition of durability with the 14 Series air end featuring direct drive and integrated leak-free design. And it's all in a package designed for simplified service and maintenance. The open design offers easy access to filters, lubricant, and other routine maintenance items. Plus, Sullair offers a complete selection of air tools to take on a variety of applications, large or small. The 185 Series also comes standard with AWF all-weather fluid, specifically designed for peak performance in hot, cold, or dirty environments. With its legendary air end, reliable engine, expanded fuel tank, and more, the Sullair 185 Series Tier 4 Final Portable Air Compressor works as hard as you do. The Sullair 185 is part of a lineup of portable air compressors and air tools designed for a variety of applications and ready to take on jobs of all sizes. Invest in reliability, durability, and performance.